case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
However, the Supreme Court ended up overturning this decision. The High Court underscored that the Batson process requires a prima facie case of racial discrimination, and thereafter, it demands a race-neutral reason from the one proposing the juror's dismissal. This does not necessarily need to be convincing or plausible, but rather facially valid. It pointed out that the Federal Appeals Court had misunderstood the requirement of providing a clear, specific, race-neutral explanation for exercising the strike. Any justification that doesn't violate equal protection is deemed as legitimate, regardless of whether it makes sense. The Supreme Court found that the prosecutor's reason for striking one of the jurors, based on his appearance, met the second step of the burden. The state court had found no discriminatory intent in the third step, and federal habeas proceedings generally assume these findings as accurate unless proven otherwise. The High Court ruled that the Federal Appeals Court was wrong in doubting the reasonableness of a non-racial motive rather than its legitimacy. The state court's assertion of no racial intent was based on credibility. Given this, the Supreme Court overturned the Federal Appeals Court's judgment and restored the state court's decision. This landmark decision reasserts the basic principles of the Batson process and adds clarifying notes on how it should be interpreted and used. Now, the case has been remanded back to the lower courts for further proceedings in accordance with the High Court's new interpretation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.